Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissanailzcliques. Excuse me. Sorry I've been away. I've been sick. Logan was sick with strep throat, and then I caught it. So yeah, it's been a busy couple weeks. But I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing for this beautiful MelodySusie nail dryer. It's called Violet Lily. And I also purchased some of the MelodySusie gel polish as well. So let's unbox this together and see what it looks like. I'm excited to see this new nail dryer here. Ta-da! Isn't it pretty? And then there's books here. And I purchased this from Amazon, so I'll put the link down below. Here is my little Amazon information here. MelodySusie. It's a 48 watt LED nail lamp. Smart gel dryer, LED light beads, curing all brands of LED polish, all that good stuff. And the MelodySusie durable nail gel polish in Sweet Reverie. It's a one-step nail gel kit, and there's 6 colors, and they're supposed to be no base and no top coat needed for it. So I will try those out as well with this thing. Let's get it out. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the box. Look at how pretty it is. And it does have excuse me, the plug back here for it. And let me turn it. It has the light up section here. It says do not touch the LED. And 3 different buttons, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And then underneath it still has the blue film, so let's peel that off. Sorry for the noise. While I'm back here, I will plug this in. Alright. So immediately you see it lights up. So you can hit the 5 and it says hello, and this, you can hear it. It has a fan inside as well. Let's peel this off. I'll read that a little better. So it's 12 volt. It says here, high power LED, hand sensor, and it's anti-glare. Okay. And I can't remember if this was the one that you can, oh yes it is. So you can take off the base here and use it for toes as well. So it's like a magnetic thing here. Alright. So you can push the button back here, slide your hand in, and you can feel the warmth from the LED lights. And you can also feel the fan. This is beautiful. I love it. And I will share with you, this was my lamp that I have been using. This is an LED UV lamp, so it does both. And I know I did a review on it a while back. I will find that video so that way you guys, if you wanted to get something smaller than this, you can. Put that base back in. But this was my other one that I was using. You see the difference, the size difference is pretty big size difference. This is a much smaller one than this one. This one obviously has the sensor, this one doesn't. But this is UV and LED, so if you're interested in something like that, it's not as powerful, not as strong as this MelodySusie. This is model is LE002. Bring that up for you guys. And this is, the power is 12 volts. So there's a big difference in this one, okay guys? So I'm excited to try something a little more powerful. But yeah, I'll put the description of the other one If I find the link, I'll put it down in the description box for you guys. So this is the little packet it comes with. The little user manual. Pretty straightforward though. And then this is MelodySusie's note, and then where to contact them if there's any issues. MelodySusie.com. You can order from them straight directly if you'd like to. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's get to trying this out. Okay, so this set of gel polish that I purchased, I don't have any MelodySusie, so I was excited to try these out. The one I'm going to go for here is number 5, and that is Violet Dream. Unfortunately, they have the numbers on here, but they don't have the name. So on the box itself, it says the names here where they were. So it's kind of a bummer that they're not written on there, so I don't know how I'm gonna really remember, besides me trying to like write it maybe on the side with permanent marker. But even that, as you use them, they're going to the name's gonna rub off. So these apparently you can shake well, it says, and then it says also you don't need base coat and you don't need top coat. So let's try it out together. Mix it up. Alright. Number 5, Violet Dream. So I buffed them all out. I used alcohol to get all the dust off. So let's try this. I didn't buff them smooth, so I'm not sure if this one I need to or not. We will find out, because it does look, see, it looks a little rough on that side because I didn't do a smooth finish. Let me see if it says it should. Where's the book? Yeah. There's the box. Prepare your nails. Trim, clean, and dry your nails completely. It doesn't say you can buff them. Yeah, so maybe I should. Okay, so I did end up buffing them out, so hopefully I'll have a smoother look to the finish. So it says to do a even thin layer, so let's do that. Still showing a little roughness. Yeah, I have a lot of ridges on my natural nails, so I kind of like the base coat because it smoothens out my natural nail, all the issues. Because you can see slight little ridges in my nails and just imperfections that I kind of like with the base coat. So, but we'll try it out. Oops. Alright, so let's get that in. Now this says to cure for like a full minute, I believe it is. Let me see. Yeah, full minute. So this does 30, so I'll do this once more once it cooks off. So that's a half a minute, so that's 30 seconds. So let's do it once more for the full minute. I kind of like having the fan on there, it's nice. Okay, so it's supposed to be dry to the touch, which it is. No tacky layers, so let's do it once more. One more coat on this. It's very pretty, I like this color. But you see how without the base coat, it doesn't hide any imperfections. So that's the only drawback if you use a gel polish that doesn't need the base coat. You know, if you don't have that perfected base, it's gonna show. So. But that's not too bad. The color is very pretty. Pretty violet color. Looks like some oils or something is coming through on this one. You see the little spot there? Something's not smooth on that one. Alright, so let's get those in. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the color in 5, and that is Violet Dream. Very pretty color, and it does dry perfectly for 1 minute in the LED light, no problems. On these two fingers I do have a little bit of ridging that would have been cured with a base coat, but I wanted to try out the gel polish without the base coat and without the top coat, as it says it can be used. So I want to give it a try. Very pretty violet color. I like that a lot. And the nail dryer worked out perfect. I love it. Worked super quickly. I like the cute little fan inside. It makes it so there's not much for any heat spikes or anything like that. Works perfectly for me. So I'm super excited to enjoy this MelodySusie one. And I'm really enjoying these colors. I'll share these colors with you that I purchased. Let's move this lightly. Okay, so hold the box over there. This one, like I said, the one I have on is called Violet Dream. This here is a sky blue. This is the number 1. This is called the Sweet Reverie kit. So that is the sky blue. Number 2 is the Honey Peach. Pretty color, I like that. This one here is Golden Wheat, number 3. Pretty yellow. I thought it was going to be a little more gold, but it's not. This one here is number 4, Rose Hermosa. Very pretty. And then number 5 is the Violet Dream that I have on now. And number 6, Spring Green. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous color. I love that. Alright guys, so that is my review for the MelodySusie nail light, and I just want to share with you guys the purchase of the new gel polishes that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.